In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify a Rumble account. So first, what you want to do is go inside your Rumble account, click up here on the account overview, and then at the very top, it says you have not verified your email yet. Click here to request another welcome email. Now, you should have already received your verification email just by creating your account, but in case you haven't or have mistakenly lost it or deleted it, you have to click here to request another one. So you simply click it, and then verify your email address and click request activation email. And then once you've done that, you go to your email, wait for the new email to appear, just like I did at this moment. You have to wait for a few seconds usually for the email to arrive. There it is. And then click on it, and inside the email it says click here to activate your account. And you simply click on this, and it says your account has been successfully verified. Now, once you go under your account overview, you might still see this message or not, but sometimes it glitches a little, and you have to wait for a little bit to for this message to disappear. But if it doesn't, you can simply log out of your account and then log back in, and this message will not be there anymore and it will disappear. Now you can check that the email is verified by clicking here again and then requesting another one, and as you can see, it says your email is already verified. Now once you do that, you have to go over here to account verification, and then it says not verified right now, but if I log out and log back in, it will say verified. And then the next step is to add a phone number. Now what you do is simply add your phone number, and then click either text me or call me, and it's gonna either text you or call you a code. And once you put that code in there, you simply click on verify at the very bottom, and that's it. Your account verification in Rumble is done.